Okay, so for those who don't know, for those who have a BMW with a flip-flap screen, once you have disconnected this cable here from this part here, and you try to use this kind of things, the Android HU, you lose the ability to access the OEM BMW screen. And this is because the screen here, the original screen, on these connectors here, sends signals to the car to indicate its status. Therefore, since this one is disconnected, the CCC controller does not take into account messages sent from the iDrive on the menu. So I built up this little thing here with an Arduino, an MCP 2515, that sends signals to it. You take the keys. Can't see it, but on its side, the Arduino also boots because it's connected to the USB side of the screen, so it simply boots at the same time that the screen. So if we go back here, if I go down, can then navigate, so it works.